Wind is an invisible force that shapes the world we live in. But what exactly is wind, and how does it affect our planet? Wind is the movement of air from areas of high pressure to low pressure, primarily driven by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by solar energy. This movement helps balance temperatures around the planet and plays a crucial role in weather patterns and climate regulation. Wind is not just a local breeze or a gust on a windy day. It is part of a complex global system that impacts climate, weather, seed dispersion, and even the generation of energy through wind power. Winds can be classified into two main categories: global winds and local winds. Let's explore each. Global winds are large-scale wind patterns that affect vast regions. These winds are influenced by the differential heating of the Earth's surface and the Coriolis effect. First, we have the trade winds. These winds blow from the east towards the west, located between the equator and 30 degrees latitude in both hemispheres. They are responsible for tropical weather patterns and ocean currents, driving the circulation of warm waters. Next are the westerlies. Found between 30 degrees and 60 degrees latitude, these winds blow from the west to the east. The westerlies are key in shaping mid-latitude weather systems, including the formation of extratropical cyclones. Polar easterlies are cold winds blowing from east to west, located from 60 degrees latitude to the poles. These winds contribute to polar climates. These winds are generally weak but play an important role in polar weather patterns. All of these winds are influenced by the Coriolis effect, a phenomenon caused by the Earth's rotation. In the northern hemisphere, winds are deflected to the right, and in the southern hemisphere, they are deflected to the left. This curvature of wind patterns affects ocean currents and regional climates. Now, let's look at the atmospheric circulation that drives these wind patterns. One of the most important mechanisms is the Hadley cells. Located between the equator and 30 degrees latitude, warm air rises at the equator, moves poleward, cools, and then sinks back down at 30 degrees latitude. This continuous loop helps drive the trade winds and creates high-pressure systems in subtropical regions. Between 30 degrees and 60 degrees latitude, we have the Ferrel cells. These act as a transitional zone between the Hadley and polar cells. They influence mid-latitude weather patterns, moving storms and facilitating weather systems. Finally, in the polar regions, we find the polar cells. Here, cold air sinks and moves toward the equator. These cells are weaker due to the high latitudes, but they play a significant role in shaping the polar climate. In addition to these global wind systems, seasonal winds also have a major impact on local climates. Monsoons, for example, are seasonal winds that reverse direction, often bringing heavy rains, like the South Asian monsoon, driven by the differential heating of land and sea. Land and sea breezes are another example of seasonal winds created by temperature differences between land and sea. During the day, the land heats up faster than the ocean, causing a sea breeze. At night, the land cools down more quickly than the sea, resulting in a land breeze. At higher altitudes, we have the jet streams. These fast-moving air currents, flowing from west to east, separate warm and cold air masses, influencing weather patterns and climate globally. Wind patterns can also be influenced by local topography. Mountains and valleys can create their own wind phenomena, like valley and mountain breezes. Urban areas, with their buildings and heat islands, can also alter local wind patterns, affecting climate and weather. Humans have a significant impact on wind systems. Climate change, driven by rising temperatures and changing pressure systems, is altering wind patterns worldwide. Urbanization can also modify local winds, creating heat islands that affect local climates. Understanding these wind systems is crucial for weather forecasting, climate science, and environmental research. As the planet warms, studying wind patterns will help us prepare for the future and better understand the complex dynamics of our atmosphere. In conclusion, the wind system over Earth is an intricate balance of solar energy, the Earth's rotation, and geographical features. From global circulation patterns to local breezes, wind plays a vital role in shaping our world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on Earth's natural systems. Stay tuned for more educational videos on science and the environment.